Hello and welcome to very exciting tutorial. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open another view controller with code or without code. Now, let's get started. First, let's start with modeling. Modeling is without code. So let's bring that side and drag another view controller to the storyboard. All right. Now, let's add a UI button. And let's change its title to model. Click on that button and hold the control key and drag to the another view controller. Release. Now you have different segues. Now we have to choose present modally. Now present modally, if you click on this circle and then go to attribute inspector, you will have another properties such as identifier. You can name it anything. For example, first view controller. Just be careful. If you have different segues, make sure you have unique identifier. We can either choose animates or without. For example, we want it animated, so the transition will be by default, which comes from the bottom to the top. But if you want to make it flip, cross, partial, whatever, you can change it here easily. Now, if the user run the application, now this is the model. If you click on it, another view controller is here. Now let's change view controller background to make it visible more. Let's choose blue, run again. Now if you click on model, this is the view controller with this animation. Let's change it to show you how. For example, cross. That's it. Now this is the first type, model. Now the second type, pushing. Now pushing is already here. If you click on this and change the kind to pushing, for example, show. Pushing is depending on UI navigation controller. Now, pushing, it needs to have a parent view controller which is embedded to UI navigation controller. Now click on the view controller, then go to the editor in the menu and choose embedded in to the navigation controller. Now you can see there is another view controller which is navigation controller and initialize to it. So the application will start from navigation controller. Sometimes you don't, maybe you will delete it by mistake or just delete it and the initializer is gone. You can bring it back by clicking on this navigation controller or view controller and go to the attribute inspector and make sure that is initial view controller. For example, I want this view controller to be my initial view controller. I just need to tick. As you can see, it's bring it back. Now I don't want it because I want to start from navigation controller. It's easy. Now let's run again. Now different thing just happened. It adds navigation bar. Now this is the purpose of navigation bar. Sometimes you want to add a title, sometimes you need add items, buttons, whatever. So this is the case. This is the second type of presenting another view controller, modelly and pushing. Now, if you think you have learned something new in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot to do something new for you in the future. One more thing, I recommend you to check out my app. It's called Yuppi. It's a group of spaces for friends, family, and team. You can download it for free in the App Store. You can express yourself in the whole new way. You can share anything: photos, videos, audio, locations, reminders, contacts, tasks, notes, pools, GIFs, whatever. Of course, you can follow me there. I'll provide my username and download link in the description box. So don't waste time. Start creating your group space. Thank you for watching.